Welcome to one and all. We started with the chapter instruction set of 8085 from CS to 12th standard. Okay, in this we completed all kind of instructions regarding our microprocessor program of 8085. Now we started with the tracing of board programs. ओके ट्रेसिंग मीन्स व्हाट कि हम लोग हर एक स्टेप को देखेंगे किस तरीके से कंपाइल करना है और उसका फाइनल सोल्यूशन क्या है. यूजिंग दिस ट्रेसिंग you will learn that how to write and how to compile the microprocessor program. Okay, so sometime tracing comes in board for 5 marks. So I hope you all are practicing it by your own after going through these videos. Okay, see, if we are having such kind of problem, MVI A,05 move B, A, LXI H F005, MVI C,08 add C, STA F007 and HLT. Okay, such kind of problem will be given in your board exam, and the actual query is trace the program and find the values of A, B, C, HL and F007. ये आपको values find out करनी है with solution. So if we will start compiling, MVI A means move immediate data to A. So immediate data is your 05. So here you will get accumulator value as 05. Okay. The thing here we are using that actual your instruction theory. Okay. If you don't know about MVI, move, LXI, add, STA. Okay. Please go through the link mentioned below regarding these instructions. Okay, because first learn the theory, then only you will come to know that how to trace these programs. Here in move B, A की value B में move होगी. So here you are getting B is equal to value of A. Last value of A is 05. Okay. Next is LXI H F005 means HL is pointing at F005. Okay. Here F0 is the value of H, that is higher byte, and 05 is lower byte, that is the value of L. MVI C,08 means immediate value को C में move करना है, which we are having 08. Okay, so value of C is 08. Add C. What is the meaning? If you will interpret the meaning, A is equal to A plus C. Okay, ये इसका meaning है. So we have to find out the value. Value of A is, see the last value of A, that is 05, and C का last value है 08. Indirectly you have to process 05 plus 08. Let's see the solution. See here, जो भी हमने steps compile किया है उसका मैंने यहाँ पे आपको values दिया है. Okay, by compiling this step, first one, you got A is equal to 05. Okay, when you are transferring value of A to B, value of B भी क्या हो गया हमारा 05. LXI H F005, H की value F0 and L की 05. Okay, move C, 08, C की value is 08 now. Now A plus C means what? 05 plus 08. Let's process this value. Write down the binary of 5. This I already given in arithmetic group. You can see that how to solve these kind of problems. 05. Write down the binary of 0 and binary of 5. Okay, value of C is 08, binary of 0 and binary of 8. If you will do the total or the calculation, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Here all the values are 0, so we'll get 0. So actually what you got 0, this is the binary of D. Okay, so accumulator value is 0D. So when you will process this 05 plus 08, what you will get? 0D. Okay, so I wrote here 0D. Okay, now the value of accumulator is 0D. Last value of accumulator you have to check. ओके अभी आप देखोगे यहाँ पे 05 है, सो ऑलवेज कंसिडर द लेटेस्ट वैल्यू, अपडेटेड वैल्यू. ओके STA F005 इसका क्या सॉरी F007 इसका क्या मीनिंग है कि स्टोर द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्यूमुलेटर एट दिस गिवन मेमोरी लोकेशन. ओके सो लास्ट वैल्यू ऑफ एक्यूमुलेटर जो भी होगा उसको इस लोकेशन पे अपडेट करो. इसलिए ये 0D कहाँ पे स्टोर हो गया, F00 पे 0D स्टोर हो गया. ओके सो एक्चुअली जो भी वैल्यूज तुम्हें पूछी थी वो कौन सी थी, वैल्यू ऑफ A what you got 0D, value of B latest value was 05, C as 08, HL as F005. you can see HL यहाँ पे ही था, so this is F005 and F007 पे क्या सेव हुआ वैल्यू, that is 0D. okay so these are your values and for this you will get 5 mark. okay for 5 values. Now the next one, MVI B, 06, move A, B, STA F005, LDA F005, ADI 6A, sub B, LXI H F008, add M and HLT. Here data is given that F008 is equal to 8D. Okay, and you have to find out these many values. Okay, so these are very much simple. You have to move immediate data to B. यहाँ पे B का डेटा आपका कहाँ मूव होगा, A में. STA F005 जस्ट वी सॉ दैट एक्यूमुलेटर का वैल्यू इस मेमोरी लोकेशन पे लोड होगा. एंड LDA F005 मीन्स व्हाट, F005 का जो भी डेटा होगा वो एक्यूमुलेटर में लोड होगा. ओके एंड ADI 6A मीन्स व्हाट, you have to add immediate data to accumulator. Let's see the solution one by one. See here, move B, 06. what is the meaning, you got value of B as 06. move A, B, तो अब B का वैल्यू A में मूव होगा, so A का भी वैल्यू हो गया 06. STA F005, so you have to store the value of accumulator okay in सिलेक्टेड मेमोरी लोकेशन. तो मेमोरी लोकेशन क्या है, F005, तो यहाँ पे क्या स्टोर होगा 06. LDA F005 मीन्स व्हाट, जो भी इस लोकेशन पे डेटा है उसको एक्यूमुलेटर में लोड करो. सो यू गॉट एक्यूमुलेटर वैल्यू है 06 अगेन. ओके ये स्टेप्स आपको क्यों दिए हैं यहाँ पे, एटलीस्ट यू ट्राई टू ट्रेस दिस प्रोग्राम और दिस मैनी स्टेप्स so that you can learn microprocessor program very easily. okay ADI 6A, what is the meaning, add immediate data to accumulator. तो immediate data क्या है 6A, accumulator value is 06, 06 plus 6A. you have to process this value. Let's see, write down the binary of 06, that is binary of 0 and binary of 6. D का वैल्यू 6A है, राइट डाउन बाइनरी ऑफ 6 एंड बाइनरी ऑफ A. इफ यू विल डू द टोटल, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, again carry is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, here you got 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1 and this is 0. okay so this you got 70H. okay value of accumulator you got as 70. so here you can see कि मैंने यहाँ पे चेंज करके लिखा है अभी, that 06 plus 6A you got total as 70 means what, now your accumulator value is 70. okay now come to the next step, SUBB. if you will interpret the meaning is A is equal to A minus B. okay write down the value of A. पहले आप वैल्यू पूरा सर्च करके लिखना है आपको. सो लेटेस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ A इज 70 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ B, सो चेक आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ B, दिस इज 06. ओके मीन्स 70 माइनस 06. सो लेट्स डू द कैलकुलेशन. जो भी नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है उसका हमें टूस कॉम्प्लीमेंट फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके द लिंक इज ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड बिलो so that you can learn these things easily. okay see you have to do a is equal to a minus b, and a is equal to a minus b is equivalent to a is equal to a plus b dash. b dash means 2's complement of b, that is 0 6. जो नंबर हमारा सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है उसका 2's complement हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो यू रोट बाइनरी ऑफ a, बाइनरी ऑफ b. नाउ 1's complement ऑफ b इज 0 की जगह पे 1 लिखना है, 1 की जगह पे 0. ओके, तो b का बाइनरी यहाँ पे है. 1's complement is this. Now to find out the 2's complement, add 1 at LSB. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, rest of the value will be same. Okay, so this is the 2's complement of b, that is b dash. Indirectly ये क्या मिला आपको? b dash. Okay, now process this value, that is add this b dash to a. Okay, so let's see what we'll get. See, b dash है. Now a का value is 70. If you will add b dash and 70, what you will get? 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. I will write here this carry. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Now you are having triple 1, so 1 with carry 1. Again triple 1, 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay, so 1 carry is present means your answer is positive. Okay, and what you got? 6a. Again you got accumulator value as 6a. So subtraction of 70 minus 06, you will get 6a. Now the next step, LXI HF008 means your HL is pointing at F008 and value of H is F0, value of L is 08. Now the next step, add M. Add M means what? A का value क्या है? Current value is 6a. M means location which is pointed by HL. Okay, तो HL अभी आप देखो HL कहाँ point कर रहा है? So HL is pointing at F008. Okay, ये ऐसे ट्रिक्स होते हैं जब आप माइक्रो प्रोसेसर प्रोग्राम आप कंपाइल कर रहे हो. ओके, अब अभी आप सोचोगे यहाँ M कहाँ से आ गया? M, सो M का मीनिंग क्या है? लोकेशन ऑफ HL. तो HL कहाँ पे पॉइंट कर रहा है एट प्रेजेंट? लेटेस्ट F008. एंड F008 पे कौन सा डेटा स्टोर है? 8D. दिस इज गिवन. ओके, so actually you have to do the process of 6a plus 8d. Okay, so let's perform. Write down the binary of 6a, that is binary of 6 and binary of a, 8d, binary of 8 and d. If you will process 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Here you are having 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, so you will get F7H, that is the value of accumulator. Okay, so new value of accumulator is F7H and you can see कि इसके बाद अभी क्या हो रहा है? हमारा प्रोग्राम हॉल्ट हो रहा है, हॉल्ट स्टेट में जा रहा है. Okay, so this is the last value and you have to write it down that what is required. Okay, कौन कौन सी वैल्यू रिक्वायर्ड है वो अब आपको फाइनली लिखना है. A की वैल्यू क्या मिली हमें? लेटेस्ट वैल्यू F7, B is 06, H is F0, L is 08 and F005. F005 पे क्या मिला था? 06. You can see it from here. Okay, F005 पे क्या मिला था? 06. Okay, so this is the way you have to solve your problem while the program is asked for tracing only. Okay, जब सिर्फ ट्रेसिंग पूछा है तो आपको ये सोल्यूशन दिखाने के साथ साथ में लास्ट में अपडेटेड वैल्यूज लिखनी है. Okay, so in this way you will get 5 marks in board. Okay, so I hope you all will practice such kind of problem by your own also, and if you are facing any kind of doubt for any kind of problem, okay, so you will share with me with comment or through email. Okay, नेक्स्ट विल डू अगेन ट्रेसिंग ऑफ बोर्ड प्रोग्राम्स ओनली फॉर 5 मार्क्स, जो बोर्ड में पूछे हुए हैं. ओके, दिस विल बी द लास्ट फॉर tracing. Okay, after that we'll start with board problems. Clear? Till that time practice these many problems by your own so that you can learn microprocessor programming very well. Okay, thank you class.